All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. We're gonna do a removal of a Ring video doorbell, and we're gonna put in a Blink video doorbell. Pretty simple process. You're just gonna wanna remove the Ring doorbell. There's a tiny security screw on the bottom. So you just use the Ring screwdriver, and you'll just remove this small screw. Then you'll remove the faceplate. You flip over the Ring screwdriver just to get the screw. There's two screws, one on top and one on bottom. Once you get that removed, you just want to remove, this one's hardwired, so we'll just remove that. You want to be careful here. You turn off your power, just be careful. And then you're done there. We have the corner mount here for the Blink video doorbell. As you can tell, ours is perpendicular to our door. So we're gonna wanna put on the corner mount so that it faces more out. The nice part is you're not gonna have to drill because the holes actually match up with what your Ring doorbell was sitting on. So just use the screws that came with your Blink doorbell to the two of the longer screws that came in. Before you actually mount the doorbell, link it up to your existing Blink system, or if you just bought one, to link it up to your system. That's when you'll want to scan the code on the back or use your serial number to, you'll follow a few steps on the app, and then your doorbell should be ready to go. All right, so we'll grab the corner mount and we're gonna put it onto the wall. Like I said earlier, the nice part about taking off the Ring and going straight to a Blink is they've made the holes the same spot, so you don't have to re-drill any holes. Just match that up. It comes with the two screws. Feed that in. I'm going to tighten about halfway, then do the bottom one. And then once you've lined up, then you can tighten all the way through. And you want to make sure it's straight. And if you're installing a video doorbell for the first time, you will need to drill into your stucco. Like I said, we already have the Ring on here, so we don't have to do that. You're gonna use the plastic anchors that it comes with. Once you drill into the wall, put those in, and then the screws will just feed right into those. After you got the plate on the wall, you'll go ahead and attach, this is the back plate to the actual Blink doorbell. And when you're attaching the wires, it's nice to keep them at, make a little loop, so you can just attach that right over the screw. Okay. And that just goes right into the corner plate. And then you've got two tiny screws. They come with the corner mount, which you'll use to attach that to the plate. Once again, you'll just loosely tighten the top one until you get the bottom one lined up as well. And then you can go ahead and tighten all the way. Alright, so when you're putting on the actual doorbell, you want to slide in the top so that the hooks are aligned. And then once you have those in, you'll push it, make sure it's flush, and then slide down until you hear a click, and then you're all set. You'll turn your power back on, and you're all set.